Want to unlock faster, smoother real estate deals? Let's dive into how to find those elusive cash buyers hiding in plain sight on Redfin. First, become a Redfin listing detective. Pay close attention to properties that have been on the market for a while. Look for listings where the price has been reduced multiple times, or the property needs significant renovations. These properties tend to attract cash buyers looking for a deal. Next, get to set a face. Attend open houses in areas with a high volume of investment properties. Engage in conversation with attendees and ask questions to gauge their intentions. Listen for clues that indicate a cash-only approach, such as statements like "I'm looking for a quick flip" or "I don't need financing." Another often overlooked strategy is networking within the Redfin agent community. Connect with other agents who specialize in investment properties. They often have a network of cash buyers they work with regularly. Collaborate and share leads to expand your reach. Don't be shy. Attend local real estate meetups and investment seminars. Many cash buyers attend these events to scout for deals and network with professionals. Introduce yourself and explain the types of properties you specialize in. Building relationships is key. Once you've identified a potential cash buyer, nurture the connection. Provide them with valuable market insights and off-market deals. Position yourself as a trusted advisor, and they'll be more likely to choose you for their future transactions. Now you are well on your way to scoring quick cash deals.